Hey, how you doing? Let's get you in here. Hmm?
I love that thick curly hair you got.
Oh, well, thank you.
Okay. Just don't, when you pop it, don't go in because he right there.
All right, I'll stay out.
Open up my nasty garage.
Oh, it's not that bad.
My relatives were just fussing at me. I told you years ago to hide your key. I said, I know you did. I know you did. I know.
All right, let's see here.
And I'm so glad I didn't have him out here. Wasn't taking him nowhere. Okay. Wait. Okay.
All right, it's still unlocked.
Okay.
All right,
I gotta
let me
come back
get.
to pay you.